local weather forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it certainly has been a wonderful Tuesday all across the desert Southwest. We were quiet with our conditions, nice and dry and also clear. Temperatures, on the other hand, a little warmer today. We hit a high of 78 degrees, and right now we're about 10 degrees cooler than this afternoon. So hanging out still even in the mid and upper 60s all across the desert Southwest. So all in all, not too bad for the rest of tonight, staying nice and mild with our conditions. So really enjoy it while you still can. And again, very quiet and clear, but we have this next storm system that is starting to arrive and push through the region, so you can even see that heavy rainfall and even some snow in northern California. So this storm system is expected to bring us some impacts here in the desert Southwest as we head into Wednesday and also Thursday. So that will start with some winds. So we do have a wind advisory for Imperial County that'll go in place tomorrow afternoon until 2 a.m. Thursday. So we are going to have breezy to windy conditions all across the desert Southwest. Now, even though Yuma is not included in that advisory, we'll definitely be feeling some winds as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at those winds on what's to come and what we can expect. So we are going to have these winds coming from the west, keeping us pretty breezy and windy for us. So we'll have those winds starting to pick up in Imperial Valley come early tomorrow morning. So you can even see those gusts about 20 or even a little bit stronger miles per hour. And then even as we go into our afternoon, we'll see those winds continue to strengthen. And again, we'll still have those stronger winds staying off in Imperial County, but we'll definitely be feeling that here in Yuma County areas as well, where we could even expect gusts as high as 30 miles per hour, a little bit stronger at times. And then going into Thursday in the morning, we'll still be pretty breezy, but we'll have a little bit of relief. And then we'll start to just pick up once again for our Thursday as we go into the rest of the evening and even into that nighttime hours as well. So just be prepared. We are going to be having those winds kind of being up and down with breezy to windy conditions for the next couple days. And also blowing dust will also be very likely. So just make sure you're taking precautions and maybe best to stay indoors as well. And if you're going to be behind the wheel, just make sure you're taking extra precautions as well. But also looking out for some future rainfall. So we do have this lower pressure system that is going to bring some heavy rain and even some snow in the higher elevations in the mountain areas, also all along California. But for Yuma, it's looking fairly light for us here, but I'm still looking out for that. So we do have that potential for some storms to develop, but it's looking fairly light. So we could see about 1/10 of an inch or even less if we do get any. Very, very light, but still looking out for that for our Thursdays when that's expected. But now let's go ahead and take a look on our 8-day forecast sponsored by Polar Cooling. There it goes. We will have the active weather for Wednesday and Thursday with the winds and even cooler temperatures, and looking out for some rain showers on Thursday. And then we'll just warm right back up for the weekend, seeing some mid-80s for Sunday. Back to you, Adam.
All right, Melissa, thanks. Coming up next on Fox 9.